Oh, good morning. It's very close to 10:45 British summertime in the UK, and I'm just testing the world band receiver with a doublet aerial. I've got no activity on 13 meters, but I've got some which I'm picking up on 16 meters, and I would say that station is China radio. So I'll just run down to the bottom of the band and run up, see if I can find any other stations. It's the station we had before.
So there's a lot of Japanese schools where the kids do the cooking to the canteen. They take turns, where every day the kids are responsible for cleaning the classrooms and keeping the school clean.
Sounds like everyone's being called to prayer. I think that's China radio again. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'll run back down the other way.
Yeah, so that's when you're assigned to clean the food like students who do the cleanup work usually will have a cleaning lady or a superintendent.
So that's one station.
Do that work, right?
Usually, it does change a little bit depending on the
Definite.
it can be quite the individual.
Two stations. Now I don't know whether that's breaking through from China radio or whether they're transmitting on two frequencies. They do sometimes. There's another station there. Sort of noise or something, I don't know really. And I'll come down the band. Let's just go through the 19 meter band. That's a station there. Another station. Definitely something there. That's about it. 22 meters. It's 25 meters I've got a station on. I'm quite surprised by that. I didn't think I'd get any activity on 31 metres. There's a station there. It's not usually active this time in the morning. Chance for lock, so we'll have that. 31 metres, we've got one station. But you can see there's more activity on the higher frequencies, which is pretty much what I'd expect this time of day, 10:45. We'd have probably got 13 metres earlier on in the morning. So 16 metres this time of day. Just grab that now.
You know, not, their shoes may sound like you don't necessarily need to tie the shoes. Does that make much more like sense? So,
someone rocked up for a job interview at my company, and they were wearing a suit with a on and no pair of shoes. They're not getting the job. I don't care how well qualified they are otherwise.
So that's the only station I've got in English. I'm pretty sure that's China Radio International. That is coming about 17.5 megs. Something in English would be nice.
Marie Kondo or one of those groups that make acrylic and their home. It's not that hard. Grown-ups think this way, parents think this way, therefore only until your kid is at the point of being kicked out of the nest.
So a number of stations at 10:45 in the morning, which is not a good time to listen to the shortwave bands. one in English, which I'm pretty sure is China Radio International. I'll look that up. And I'll come back later on and see what I can pick up just after midday maybe.